Hey everyone, I'd like to share 3 tips with you on how to enhance your home practice. Tip number 1, practice early. The earlier in the day that you practice, the less likely distractions will arise that prevent you from doing it. Tip number 2, keep it short and sweet. You don't need a whole hour. 15 to 20 minutes every day is fantastic. If you're not sure what to do in that short amount of time, check out our app or on-demand site, which have plenty of 15 to 20-minute options. And tip number 3, incorporate a little Kapalabhati in your practice. Kapalabhati is energizing, clears your nasal passages, and clears your mind. It's a short, sharp exhale through your nostrils and a passive inhale through your nostrils. It could be anywhere from between 1 breath every 2 seconds and up to 4 breaths every 1 second. If it's new to you, bring your hands to your navel and make sure your navel moves toward your spine when you breathe out and away from your spine when you breathe in. If you're more experienced, try an alternate nostril Kapalabhati. It's a short, sharp exhale through one nostril, passive through both nostrils, and then a sharp exhale through the other nostril, like so. I suggest doing 36 breaths like this, taking a little rest, and then giving it another try. Kapalabhati, though, is contraindicated if you're pregnant, have heart issues, ulcers or hernias, or high blood pressure. So keep these 3 tips in mind in your own practice, and I hope I get to see you soon at the studio or online. Have a great day.